What's up guys, welcome back to another one. Today I'm going to be installing this rear spoiler on my mom's 330, and yeah, let's get right to it. Alright, so here's the lip right here. Basically it's just going to be going on this part right here. Get a little sporty touch to it, you know. But yeah, I'm just going to get this unwrapped and then we're going to go right to it, put it right on. Obviously first going to want to clean off the surface since it was raining. Get that nice and dry so that the tape can stick to it. Resonator delete on this too, so I'll give you guys a sound check after. It's not like crazy difference, but it definitely sounds a little bit more deeper and it has more pops in that pop when you shift. So I'll give you a sound check after I'm done this. This is what it's gonna look like. I didn't put it on yet, but just to give you guys a little peek, you know. It actually looks really good. I like it a lot. I'm sure she's gonna like it too. But let's get this going. Alright, so I got it all taped up now. I'm just gonna wipe the surface one more time just to make sure, and then I'm just gonna put it right on. Alright guys, finished product. It's on there really good. But yeah, I think it looks crazy. Like, definitely looks way better than the no wing. Gives it just more a little aggressive look, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it out to the yard and then get a better look at it. Sorry, I forgot. I didn't forget to give you guys some revs, so I'm gonna set up my phone and then we're gonna rev that shit. Side. I think it looks really good, to be honest. Oh yeah, definitely looks tough. All right, but yeah, that'll be it for the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.